Hi guys, welcome back or welcome. I want to show you what I got from this kit or set. This is called the Power of Good from Bareminerals, and this is what it looks like. This is the box, and you are getting 6 full-size products including 2 brushes. That is very useful and very handy to use up all these powder products and things like that. So I want to show you what's included in this set. The nice thing about this set is you get to choose what shade you are in the foundation area, and so I got the medium beige 12, and that's the color right there. So this is $50 on their website, and I will link it down below. I hope they still have it because I got this like a month ago, and this is the time to use it and try it. I am very curious about the powder foundation from Bareminerals because I love Bareminerals in general, and I want to expand more of of the products from Bareminerals, and this is a pretty good deal because you're getting full sizes and the brushes are awesome. And so I'm gonna show you and stop talking. So this is what it looks like in the kit, and it's really lovely because they're huge, and these products are kind of like travel size, travel friendly to me, especially the brush. I already took the plastic off of this. So this is the brush. So this is the brush for the powder foundation. It's really lovely and really handy, and it's very soft. It's just like a very good quality brush to me, and in the middle I believe that's where you put the powder. And so I'm excited to try it. And this is the other brush. This is for the blush, and this is for the shadow. So that's really nice. I love this type of fast-paced makeup because sometimes some people don't really care for all that hassle in the morning or whenever you want to do your makeup. These are kind of like more on my term, and so I love Bareminerals products because they are pigmented and they have good coverage, and they have like good skin products like SPF and things. And so this is the powder right here. That's the size. We are getting 0.56 ounce or 16 grams, and I'm going to start. I already kind of like put a concealer a little bit, and so I don't have any foundation on my face, and so I am going to, there is a very sturdy block right here for your powder. It's real hard to take it off, but I got it off. So that's the powder sifter right there, and so I'm just going to shake it right here and put some on the back of the lid. It's kind of I hope it's not too dark, but that's the color or the shade. So let's see if this works for my skin tone. So I'm just going to dab the brush like that, and it is picking up in the middle. And so I'm gonna start right here where you can see my discoloration. So this powder foundation has SPF 15, which is nice. I love powder foundation because it's like, like you don't have to, like it's just all in one. And so you can you tell a difference? A little bit I can. Cover my under eyes. A little bit on my forehead. So that's, looks like it's the right shade for me. I'm going to cover the other side now. I'm just going to add some more. Very it has like a medium coverage to it. It's really pretty. But it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh look, it's kind of caking on my nose. So, oh, that's interesting. Maybe this has blended in my hand. Wow, it has for sure coverage. I'm not sure if I'm loving the brush that is meant for it. I just don't see it feels like it doesn't have the right dense for the powder. Feels like it needs kind of like more, I don't know, like a little bit harder. That way the foundation can be mixed or kind of like blended better. So now I think I'm good. The powder foundation is looking gorgeous on me. So that's all I need. And so I still have a little bit up here, so I'm just gonna put it back. The thing about Bareminerals, I think some people don't like him because it is kind of like I don't know, like hassle, you know, especially with a loose powder like this. And so the next product is going to be a blush. And so the blush color or the blush shade is called, so this is what it looks like right here, and this is full size as well. And so the way to, I'm gonna show you on my cheeks, see how it looks like. It's very realistic type, and it doesn't look powdery. I'm going to add more for the other side now. Alright, so this is the blush on me, and I actually said the wrong color of the blush or shade of the blush. It's actually called the Sunwash Berry, and that was the shadow that I mentioned earlier. So anyway, you probably can't tell the blush on me that much. It's a very it's kind of like a berry-ish tone, but it's not very like in your face. It's realistic blush, and I love it. That's the reason why I love Bareminerals blushes in general, and so I am very happy with the color. This part is going to be the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow color shade is called the dark golden apricot, and their shadows normally come in, you know, little tub like this or little container like this. And so the shadow actually has a little bit shimmers to it, so it's kind of like, well, it's kind of pretty. It's kind of like a bronze shade. I'm going to show you. So that's the shade right there. It's kind of like an everyday color. So, and also their shadow, look at that. It's gonna, oh my, it's like a bronze for sure. Their shadow also lasts like all day, and I'm using my finger because I think the way, I mean, I want to use this brush right here. I bet it's beautiful, but when it comes to shadow like this, I think I prefer my finger. That way they blend better, especially this one has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's really beautiful. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to try and use the brush now. That way we can sorry about my dogs, they're kind of playing. Alright. So wow, so far I love it. Put it on my bottom. I love it. I love Bareminerals. You just take that off. You can pretty much tell what my opinion about this whole set is already. The last one is going to be a lip gloss, and the lip gloss shade that we are getting. This is my first time trying the Bareminerals lip gloss, and this is in full size. So this we are getting, how much? Well, it doesn't say, but this is the shade. It kind of reminds me of the eyeshadow. It has kind of like a tone like that. Okay. It has that kind of like a vanilla sweetness smell. So it's kind of dark. Not my type. Okay, so this lip gloss is kind of sticky, but I'm not sure if I'm liking that stickiness. But I love that there is a shine. Look at that. I don't like this color because it's kind of like just dark for my taste. I'm more of like into like a, I don't know, like a pinkish coral colors. Pretty much what the kit or the set is. And what is my opinion? Okay, my opinion, I love everything so far except for two things, which is the lip gloss and the brush for the loose powder or the powder foundation. Do I like lip gloss like this in general? It's okay. It's a little bit sticky for my liking. I wouldn't mind buying a different color, like maybe more of like a lighter version of it. But this is beautiful as well. Like I mean, it's not like I can't wear this, but I'll wear it. It's just that it's not my color preference that I wear most of the time, or you know, it's just not my type of color. So I love it. Actually has that mint tingling to it, so it kind of like makes you kind of makes you talk, kind of like I don't know, like your lips is kind of like sticking together. So it's okay, but it's not bad. Like if you love lip glosses like this, you are gonna love this, what's included in this set. But so if you want to buy this set right here, this is available at bareminerals.com. I love most of it actually, and the fact that the blush is so beautiful, and then the powder foundation works really nice. I thought that, I don't know, like I guess I don't have any expectation, but I know I'm gonna like it because Bareminerals are that good. To me, it works. And so if you're curious about getting this set, I kind of like highly recommend this actually. The brushes are nice. This blush brush right here, it's also very good quality. The brushes are very good quality. I'm probably gonna use this on a different type of foundation, more of like a liquid foundation or a cream. Actually, this might work better. So this is going to be my first impression, or I just want to show you what it looks like. I just want to show you the set and what's included and what it looks like for medium skin tone. So I will see you again on my next video. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you later. Bye guys.